Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. In this video, I would like to explain about autofill series. Before I enter into the video, I would like to say that if you are new to this video, please subscribe the channel. After watching the video, give a like to it, share to your friends through Facebook or WhatsApp. Okay. uh, in this video I don't want to waste my time and your time. In this video about autofill series I am planning to explain. First of all, what is the purpose of the autofill series? Autofill series is used to fill the series of anything like numbers, date, months, weekdays, etc. Now, uh, actually, this autofill series is used where, for example, now if you want to type the roll numbers till 10, you can type easily, right? Like 1, 2, 3, like that. But if you want to type in thousands of roll numbers, then it is not easy. It's a very hard work. So don't do such type of things. To complete your work easily and uh, uh, easily and in a smart way, you have to go to autofill series, right? So in this, how to get plenty of numbers, or at a time thousands of numbers in a half a second, is how to do is it can be done with the autofill series. Now can you see I have typed for that how to enter that many numbers at a time is 1 2 3. I have typed. I'll delete this, only 2 are enough. So now I will select both the cells and I'll get the mouse pointer to the corner of the cell and I will drag it. See, automatically that series is coming down, right? See, can you see, can you observe? Like this you can go for the many numbers in a half a second of time. So this is called the series of numbers. Now in the same way, date I will explain. Already I have done it in here, but I want to explain it clearly by typing in front of you, right? To date I'm giving the format to it so that it will display in that format only. Okay, now select the, say that means first date, second day, like that. Now select the two cells and come to the corner of the cell and drag it down till how much you want. Okay, understood? So in this way you can go for the date also. In the same way, months, I'm typing Jan, Feb. Now I'll select both the cells and come to the corner, and now this is the easy method of typing the data. Okay, and weekdays, Sunday, I'm typing just three letters, Monday, or if you type like that also it will take. Okay, computer knows about it, so it will take. See, can you see, automatically it is displaying. If you want to go for SUNDAY also, it will give the days also. Okay, so this is the method how you will be using the autofill series. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, give a like to this video, share to your friends in Facebook and WhatsApp, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay friends, I'll be coming with another video. Mostly it will be on review and view, both I will do in one video only. Okay friends, thank you, bye.